Hello everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Travala, AVA, I don't know how to spell it, but so I say it but AVA, okay, I'm going to say it, AVA, okay, but anyway, AVA has 4 different pairings on Coolcoin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do it with Bitcoin, but remember that this exact method works with all of these coins, so it doesn't matter what pairing you're using, okay, but in this tutorial we are going to use Bitcoin, okay, so the first step is obviously to sign up on Coolcoin. And to sign up, click the link in the description of this video and sign up, okay? So after you have done that, all you have to do is first either buy Bitcoin, or you can deposit Bitcoin if you already own Bitcoin, okay? So all you have to do to buy Bitcoin is to go home page and click buy crypto. After that, click third party, and here you can straight up buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card, okay? And here you can buy Bitcoin. So when you click the USD, you can select the currency that you want to pay with, okay? And after that, just select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. And after that, click buy now, and the purchase will go through. And after that, the Bitcoin will show up here, right here on your main wallet, okay? Now, if you already own Bitcoin, to deposit Bitcoin, all you have to do is click deposit and search for Bitcoin, and it will automatically create a Bitcoin depositing address for you. So that's how it works, okay? You can deposit your Bitcoin right here, okay? Now, if you want to switch between these two wallets, I'm going to show you how to do it and why you have to do it, okay? So first of all, Coolcoin has 2 different wallets, main and trading wallet. And when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, you can withdraw that cryptocurrency, but you can't trade it, okay? And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, that's when you can trade your cryptocurrency, but you can't withdraw it, okay? So in order to trade that Bitcoin into AVA, we obviously have to transfer that Bitcoin from main account to trading account. And here's how you can transfer between the accounts. So it's free to transfer, it's instant, and it's easy. All you have to do is click the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So for example, the Bitcoin, and after that click transfer. And like you can see, from main account to trading account, then click all if you want to select all, or select how much you want to transfer, and then click confirm, and it's instantly and it's free, and your Bitcoin will show up here in your trading wallet. Now the same method works vice versa. So if you want to transfer it back to your main account, all you have to do is click it again and click transfer, and do the same thing, okay? So that's how you can transfer between your wallets, okay? So now you have some Bitcoin in your trading wallet, which means that you can finally trade that Bitcoin. So go to market and search for AVA, and I'm going to click AVA/BTC because in this tutorial we're using Bitcoin, but remember that this works for all of these methods. So if you own Ethereum or Neo, for example, you can trade those too, and it works just the same way, okay? But I'm going to click AVA/BTC. After that, I'm going to click buy, and here is the trading desk, and here you can straight up buy AVA with Bitcoin, okay? So here's how you can do it. So on the upper left corner where it says AVA, that is the cryptocurrency that you're currently buying, and the one on the right where it says BTC, that is the cryptocurrency that you're currently selling, okay? So you're now selling the Bitcoin that you either just bought or deposited and trading that into AVA. And to do that, all you have to do is check out the right side of my screen. So on the bottom one, you can see buying orders for AVA. So other people are also buying AVA. You don't have to care about that. All you have to check out is the red numbers here. So those are selling orders. So you are buying AVA, so you obviously want to find sellers. Okay, so those red numbers are sellers. So when you click the bottom one of the red numbers, that is the lowest price that somebody is currently willing to sell there at AVA tokens. Okay. Now when you click that, you will get automatically most coins, okay? After that, click amount and type in how much AVA you want to buy. Or you can also use these percents. So for example, if you click 50%, that means that you're selling 50% of your Bitcoins and trading that into AVA. And if you click 100%, that means that you're selling all of your Bitcoins and trading that into AVA, okay? So after you have selected how much AVA you want to buy, all you have to do is click buy AVA, and the trade will execute. And when you go back to assets, the AVA will show up right here, okay? So now if you want to keep trading that AVA, all you have to do is keep it in your trading wallet. But if you want to withdraw your AVA, all you have to do is keep it in your main wallet and then click withdraw. and then search for AVA and click, like you can see here, click it, and here you can straight up withdraw AVA. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how you can buy AVA and withdraw it and trade it if you want. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a like. That would help me so much. Okay, and if you have any problems with this method, comment down below and I will help you. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.